Kanaya, say hey. We in Walmart, y'all. We finna buy the kids some clothes. Cocomelon diapers.
It probably is not good at all.
Carson, you ready to get you some more clothes, buddy? Say hey. Come on, Kanaya. Oh, come on.
I'm trying to find the stuff that, you know, all the stuff on sale, but like the summer stuff. And it's still kind of...
No, they got winter stuff out because they know the season's gonna change. Come on, Kanaya. He know where to go. They got the jackets out. I like this jacket.
Yeah, I like it. All right, Carson.
Where Kanaya? This is what I be saying. This is why I don't be trying to... You be doing too much. I'm gonna make you get in that buggy in a minute. It's always her. Oh, I like that.
Reebok, look at all the different things.
Let's see. Y'all like this jacket? Reebok at a Walmart for Kanaya. No, I like that one though.
Yeah, I like that.
And I like this one for Carson. It got that burnt orange color in it. That's Tutti. Powerpuff Girl skirt. That's them Mexican people skirts. Look at this.
I seen that the last time. I don't think you like that.
I don't know. Got that. Kanaya said, This ain't really.
Yeah, this ain't it.
This ain't it.
Yeah. It's a whole bunch of little jelly.
Come on, Kanaya. He mad. He gotta stay in the buggy. These are swimsuits and stuff. Come on. You done cutting up? We can't even get no shopping done. Cutting up. We're gonna let Daddy find the clothes. We was just in Walmart looking for y'all some. Well, I was looking for y'all some beds. Now we back. Christopher. What you talking about? Put your tongue in your mouth. I told y'all it's always her. That's my extra child. Always do that extra. Come on.
Oh, that shirt she got on was $45.
Pull it out and unfold it. Let me see. Kanaya, come over here. Quit running around. You know that's not how your binky go, boy.
Bro. Oh, this long sleeve, bro.
Everything gonna be long sleeve. They getting ready for the season. I'm gonna have to stock up on y'all some medicines. Nose already. He didn't mean to do that. Y'all funny. Should've went to Target.
It's here. Underwater.
You recording? You making a video?
I push rush.
Okay. Do your own video.
What's this? What's this?
That's not on Carson.
What's this?
Cocomelon salt.
Oh.
They got them for both of y'all. I might get y'all some. Why the fuck they $10?
It's good. Shit.
Y'all can have the same socks. I'll tell you that. You trying to be like me? Try to act like you recording.
Let's see. What's another question? What? What is? What is? What's that?
He is so dramatic.
Oh,
These running noses, I don't know where they came from. Maybe because I was outside yesterday.
I just.
Y'all don't go around nobody. Go nowhere.
That is sure.
I just saw Snoopy. Oh, right here. Hey, Snoopy, pop food. Come over here, Kanaya. What's Tom staring
My gosh.
Two little pampers in.
So it was. Woo.
White.
Sweet.
Cup in your hand.
Sweet.
So,
Sweet. Sweet.
what you think? Oh, this toilet's right here. They got 4T right here. Oh, she need 5T or 4T. But can she fit this 4T? That's what I'm saying.
I should die. Bye.
Oh, these shirts? No, it's
I just go chow. So pictures. Mom,
for a girl?
pictures. Cassie, pictures.
Somebody tried to sell me one for $4.50 for a 55 inch. They got them fingers smashed. I'm trying to record. Y'all doing too much. Carson. Please just get on fast. Why is she in the TV boxes? Get out. How much is it?
$328.
Okay.
50 inch though.
55 inch.
That's a 50 inch. Hush, Carson.
Tonight, get out the boxes right now. This is what I be telling y'all. She always doing the most. You finna get in the buggy too. No. You want that TV for your room? Come on. Yeah, the 86 inch.
That's stuff up.
86 inch. Stop, Kanaya, before you make that go off. This is a big TV right here.
Right here, 740, 750.
For what inch? 75 inch? 748?
And that's, well, no, you had an LG last time.
What is this?
That's an LG right there. You had. The other one's down there for 55. 55 inch.
It was a TCL. Somebody shot it.
No. I don't even know why you entertained it. You should have seen that burn was like.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. You guys always cut up in Walmart. Y'all don't like Walmart? Y'all want to go to Target? Y'all bougie.
Okay, look. Damn.
65 for 458. What brand?
LG.
You want to get it? You want to get this? 65 for $500. Can this fit in the car right now? We got them. We got the them green things where we tied the stroller down with. We put it at the top. I want this.
Huh?
You want to get it for real?
Let me see what.
I'm getting it.
Huh? I know.
Why are you taking his shoes off? I gotta look for y'all TV for y'all room.
Oh, that's easy.
What inch you think they need? Cause they don't need no real big one. They don't need no real big one. Stop. Mom, nothing. Get his shoe. Pick his shoe up. Y'all be doing too much. This a Samsung right here. It's a 43 inch for $278.
Yeah, something like that.
50 inch.
Well, I'm gonna check out this bar real quick.
Roll back. What inch is that? This is the same thing. No, that's a Samsung. That's LG, and they both 43 inches. Yeah. Kanaya, look. You want to get this TV for your room? Do you want this one? She talking about That's the one you want. That's the one you want. Okay, girl.
Okay, how much that TV was?
I think it was 5 something.
Okay, so
Okay, y'all. So we got the TVs. Got the TVs. They ain't cutting up no more. Alright, now he needs some help, y'all. Let me end my video because y'all got too much going on. Yeah. He's trying to do it by himself. I'ma let him. Over here, gonna tear the TV up. He gonna do it by himself. Okay, Daddy got it. Alright, that's it. I'm finna get back in the car. It's hot. It's so hot. Too hot. Yeah, I'm finna end my video because I'm hot, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to drop likes and subscribe because I see y'all, and I'm gonna keep saying it. I see y'all. Subscribe to my channel. I can't stress that enough. Like, subscribe to my channel. Kanaya, say bye.
Bye.
I'll see y'all in the next video.